First off, I just wanted to comment really quick. I've got this glove on. You all might notice this while I'm drawing. If you find as you're drawing that you have problems smudging the materials on your paper, or sometimes people who have more oily skin like I do just find that as we're moving our hand across the paper, it doesn't move very smoothly. You can order one of these gloves on Amazon for $5 or $6. So they're very useful. You'll see me using these in pretty much all of the videos. They let my hand move more smooth and they keep the oils on my skin off the paper. All right, this video I wanted to talk about basically one of the very few things. I know I said in the lecture that there's not much I can tell you about how to use your hands, that we're thinking more about how to see. But one of the very few and one of the most important things I can teach you about using your hands, and you're all able to do it, you just haven't really thought about it before, is to change how hard you're pushing. Most of us, when we write, we tend to write with a pretty even pressure. So we want to look at the idea of line weight, which is just, and pressure control causes line weight. And line weight is just that as I push harder, the line's going to get thicker and darker. And as I release that pressure, the line will get thinner and lighter. Now, each material that you use is going to have a different range of line weight that it will give you. Also, this pencil, like if I turned it on its side and manipulate it that way, I can really get a thicker line weight out of it too. So with each new material that you grab, so I'm going to switch over to a ballpoint pen now. Good ballpoint pen also has a range of line weight that you can get out of it. Some of these pens, they're just on or off, but a good one like this Bic or most of the PenMate pens will have this dynamic response to pressure as well. Okay, so that's something that we should practice. I'll go ahead and grab a couple different materials here. And each time you pick up a new material, just do some of this real quick. So that's your Conte. Notice also you have different pencils. You have like I was using a 6B here. The 6B is a harder pencil. This mechanical pencil I have is like probably a 6H. Maybe it's a 2H. So that has different line weight as well. So I want you to do one page of, I'll flip this over and do some scribbling here. I want you to do one page of line weight scribbles. The other thing when you're doing these scribbles is try not to do a pattern and try not to like be too boxy about it. You can go into a straight line and into these more curved lines, and you should be flowing in and out of the line weight. A lot of people start real light and then they get dark, and once they're dark they stay dark, or they're dark and then they get light and they stay light. I want you fluctuating in and out, changing the speed, so all of a sudden it's really dark and all of a sudden it's really light, and then it's a slow build of pressure. I'll do this with the pen again. Slow build and release of pressure, quick changes. And then keep your hand flowing around. We're going to use this scribble for something else as well. The other thing is doing the scribble, do a couple of them, but you don't want to like get too much on here either. Do a few of them, but if the lines start to get too dense, then the image isn't going to work for the other thing that we're going to do with it. So keep the lines about that much in terms of the density of the lines. And try this with a few different materials. The thing that people have the hardest time with usually with this change in pressure is getting the lightest marks. So this is like a 6B pencil. It's a pretty dark pencil, but I can draw with such a soft pressure that you can still not see it, and then slowly start adding pressure to it. The trick to that is holding the pencil so that you're not putting any weight. You can see my hands just propping the pencil up, and it's just its own weight is causing the mark to happen. Same with the pen. I could have where just the weight of the pen is causing enough pressure to put some ink, and then I'll slowly, so I can hold it and have more control like this, but I'm still not pushing. I'm just keeping the pen from falling over. And then I can slowly start to push down with my fingers. And I don't really care. I mean, some people hold pencils like this. It doesn't really matter. It's just the idea that you let the tool's own weight create the pressure. That's how you're going to get the lightest lines. Then some people also have trouble going as dark as they can get, like risk breaking the pencil like that and find out how hard you can actually push. With the pen, it's not a big deal, but you should really be like getting aggressive with it for those longest. And you want to have those dynamics of the softest touch all the way up to the most aggressive touch and then back down.